y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Cleaning Hustle where we discuss all things cleaning. So here on this quick video, I just wanted to show you how to properly disinfect and clean your toilet. So here I'm at one of my clients' house, and I decided to show this video because not a lot of people know how to safely and effectively clean and disinfect the toilet in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so all you're gonna need is some disinfect spray of your choice. I make my own disinfect spray with just some Dawn dish detergent, some baking soda, hot water, and 70% rubbing alcohol. And you just shake that thing up in a spray bottle and you just begin to spray the whole toilet down. I mean, you saturate it, okay? Especially the handle where you know everybody touch. You're just gonna spray, spray, spray everywhere. Don't forget to get under the toilet where all of that germs and excess urine and everything, okay? So you're gonna spray, 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 and you are going to let this disinfected sit for 5 minutes, okay? You're not gonna touch it, you're just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Now here, it's just some enzyme cleaner, and I'm spraying around the toilet because that's where a lot of men, you know, miss the bowl. So yeah, so yep, I'm just spraying that, and that's for the odor, so you won't smell that urine smell. Also, you can add some essential oil. I usually use lemon and lime or orange. You can add that to your disinfectant cleaner, and your bathroom will smell amazing. All my clients love how the bathroom smells. They love how sparkly clean the toilet is. And all I did was use what I have around the house, okay? So once you let it sit for 5 minutes, you're going to get you a paper towel and you are going to wipe that thing clean, okay? You are going to wipe all of the nook and crannies, all of the feces and urine that's on there, everything, okay? And with that 70% alcohol in there, y'all already know that it is going to be very disinfected, okay? So there I was just throwing a paper towel out, getting another one. So now you're just gonna spray, spray, spray. You're going to also saturate the inside of the toilet, and you're going to scrub, scrub, scrub. Now, mind you, because you then put this disinfectant spray on there and you let it sit for 5 minutes, it's gonna be a no-brainer of coming clean. Like, it's gonna come clean so fast. Look, no effort at all. Just scrubbing it, getting everything nice and clean, getting the inside, and yes, your toilet, voila, it is perfect. Okay, that toilet right there is clean, y'all. Make sure that y'all use the solution. Make sure that you are again using the Dawn, the hot water, the baking soda, and the 70% alcohol. Okay, that thing works like magic. And now I'm just cleaning the bottom of the toilet. Make sure you clean that thing really, really well. Get everything super clean and sanitized. And voila, your toilet is sanitized, clean, and it smells good. Until next time, thanks for